JDS, what's good with y'all, fam? It's good to be back, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been on a trip, son, and I ain't gonna cap. I got bored because I was like, I ain't been shooting my videos and stuff like normal, how I usually do, and I missed y'all, bro. No cap. So today I'm coming at y'all with a new up-and-coming artist, bro, called AYO Sketch, and we listening to Pronto. To be real with y'all, I feel like this dude gonna blow up. I heard a little bit of his snippets, bro, and y'all gonna see. Let's get into this video for real.
Fuck that shit, I don't want no pit. Nigga, I don't want your bitch. Pull up in an old 96. Big body, no 4-wheel. Shit with the lift up kid.
I say I listen to his snippets, but I haven't listened to his snippets of this song, so this is completely new to me. Let's see what my boy AYO Sketch talking about. I want to see what he on because his stuff sound fire and different. Balenciaga. Ooh.
Yeah. AKA Lil Sketch. Me and my gang, we get to the Fetty. We running it up and you're hoping you're ready. We get right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm gonna slide up in the ride, check on the buzzer, I ain't got no time. Get it right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm gonna get it the way that I'm living. You see what I'm coming for digits. I'm getting right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. See how I'm coming, nobody can stop me. I'm headed right up, headed right to the top. See, I gotta get to it, gotta get it pronto. Get it to it, gotta get it pronto.
First off, let's start with this. His beat sounds crazy. His flow is actually going crazy too with the beat. And he's talking about, you know, he got to get all his little good goals and his hits, everything, his bag. He getting that pronto, basically what he's saying. All his goals is coming in. I'm not even gonna cap. His beats bring me back to like some 2005 stuff. I'm young, bro. I'm not no 25. Something like the Flights and stuff like that, worrying about the Soulja Boy type beats. But this is what it's reminding me of, some like Soulja Boy 2005 type beats.
Yankee, that gasolina, that big dank, it got me super high. I'm shut it down a road day, a deck to that Louis V, man, I'm super fly like big Benz with them flapping wings, that's a super ride. I'm doing me, no comparison to me and you or you and I. Like said I gotta get it pronto, said I'm all about the guapo, feeling like Chapo. Said niggas start slop though, so we headed to the top though. What they gonna stop though?
So I feel like Chapo.
Critics say I got a nice sound. Don't say a thing when I'm round. Up in the scene, flexing right here on my team. I was a dream, feel like Biggie 93. Nigga, you know what I mean. They doubted on me, but I got to it. I don't deep down that they all knew it. Cause the boy flow like straight fluid. That's Pronto. I guess me and
he said the boy flow like straight fluid, bro. Hey, that's what I'm saying. His flow goes crazy, dog. Hey, my shit is tweaking. Is my shit tweaking on the other side? I almost had an epileptic seizure, boy.
like Biggie 93, nigga, you know what I mean. They doubted on me, but I got to it. I don't deep down that they all knew it. Cause the boy flow like straight fluid. That's Pronto. I guess me and my gang, we get to the Fetty. We running it up and you're hoping you're ready. We get right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm gonna slide up in the ride, check on the buzzer, I ain't got no time. Get it right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm gonna get it the way that I'm living. You see what I'm coming for digits. I'm getting right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. See how I'm coming, nobody can stop me. I'm headed right up, headed right to the top. See, I gotta get to it, gotta get it pronto. Get it to it, gotta get it pronto. Starting to the fucking function and it's invite only on a Tuesday. You see the ocean, nigga, grab your surfboard, surfs up, it's a new wave.
He said surfs up, piss a new wave. He sound like he's shitting on the haters for real. And that's you know what I'm saying? That's how it be whenever you come up, son. And people wasn't messing with you back then, but then you got like fire ass song like this, bruh. Hey, son. Be ready for anything. That's why y'all gotta stay in your own lane. Stop hating on people for real.
Get it to it, gotta get it pronto. Starting to the fucking function and it's invite only on a Tuesday. You see the ocean, nigga, grab your surfboard, surfs up, it's a new wave. Check the time on your AP, it's a new day. From the bottom, so everything gets brand new. This new pay, like hey, throwing the cash up, then it gon' drop to the flow. Hey, running the dash up, soon as we ride on the road. Hey, I'm living now, but I've been alive. This tsunami's hitting, and you better climb. I'ma post up, maybe catch a vibe when the waves hit. I'm gonna ride. Hey, pulling up on super clean, started off with triple beams. Into pink up with my team, running right up to that green, dripping the sauce on my green. Ran it up, did it pronto. It was time secret, they did not know. We extra saucy like tacos. We looking like we hit the lotto. We get to the Fetty, we run it it up and you're hoping you're ready. Get right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm finna slide up in the ride, check on the buzzer, I ain't got no time. Get it right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. I'm finna get it the way that I'm living. You see what I'm coming for digits. I'm getting right to it, gotta get it pronto. Right to it, gotta get it pronto. Nobody can stop me, I'm head up.
I ain't gonna lie.
I gotta get to it, gotta get it pronto. Get it to it, gotta get it pronto.
And my boy came on the song to slide, bruh. He came on this thing to start sliding on it too. I like that. With the V-Lone on. Turn your back on these hating niggas, you know what I'm saying? That's an easy fire song. Easy hit for my dog, bro. AYO Sketch, dog. Send me some more of these, bro. I ain't gonna cap, son. I heard one song. I don't remember the name of it. I gotta go back and listen to that snippet so I can find the name of that song. But, bro, we gonna react to that song on this channel too, because that song just as hard, son. Or even harder, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm not even like forcing his shit, bro. There's been a lot of songs on my channel I've actually been messing with a lot lately, so I don't know what's been going on. JDS, bro, leave me some suggestions down below on what y'all want me to listen to too, bro, because I really do appreciate y'all, and I'm glad to be back up from my vacation, or, you know, a little out of townness, per diem, per nigga. Y'all know what it is, bro. I want y'all to do me a big booty snatching bandit favor. I need y'all to stay safe for me. Go make your bed, bro. Go brush your teeth. Go smell good, son. Don't go out there smelling all crusty and your feet going out there looking like Moses, ready to part the Red Seas, ready to get your red wings after you ready to go down on your girl while she on her time of the month. I don't know why I just said that, and I'm so sorry that y'all had to listen to that through y'all headphones, y'all earbuds, your AirPods, or whatever you're listening to this to. But you know what I'm saying? I still appreciate y'all coming to my channel and being here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to, if that's something that you feel like you want to do. No Pharrell Williams, by the way. Bro, I'm so corny. Bro, I'll catch y'all in the next video, bro. Peace.